Rakhi is the thread that binds two souls in a bond of love and joy forever. A happy Raksha Bandhan to all my brothers and sisters. As we know, it is Raksha Bandhan today and we all are going to celebrate it. There are so many stories behind the emergence of this festival as others. Today I am gonna tell you one of those stories, and most of you must be familiar with this if you have seen the Mahabharata. Sri Krishna had an aunt. She gave birth to a deformed child having awkward appearance. His name was Shishupal. His mother wanted to know the person who would be the cause of his death. Oracle revealed that the person whose touch would bring him back to normality would be the cause of his death. One day, when Sri Krishna came to meet them, and as soon as he touched the child, he became normal. Having seen it, Shishupal's mother went to Sri Krishna to plead to pardon her child. But Sri Krishna, who knew everything, did not do so. Instead, he promised that he would excuse him for 100 mistakes. But after 100 mistakes, he would definitely punish him. After a certain period of time, Shishupala became the king of Chedi. He was a very cruel ruler. Once he started abusing Sri Krishna before the whole court, which was held in Indraprasth. On that day, he crossed the limit of 100 mistakes, and in accordance with his promise, Sri Krishna threw his Sudarshan Chakra on his neck to kill him. While doing so, his finger got cut and blood started oozing out from it. Soon after, Draupadi tore a piece of her sari and bound it around his finger to stop the flow of blood. At that time, Sri Krishna promised her that whenever she would be in trouble, he would come to protect her throughout the life. After a long time, when the Kauravas tried to insult her before the full court by dragging her sari, she remembered Sri Krishna for the help. As soon as she remembered him, he came and protected her from being insulted. This is how Raksha Bandhan became popular. Nowadays, on this day, sisters bind Rakhi on their brother's hand, and brothers promise their sisters to protect them throughout the life. That's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching it.